Hi guys, I'm Brinda from McCoy. McCoy means something that is genuine, original and not copied from anywhere. Welcome to the place where we unbox a wide range of products from India's largest manufacturers of home appliances. McCoy, a promise of happiness. At McCoy, we have an appliance that suits the mood for every room and every need. Today we are going to bring to you a stunning home appliance to keep you cool, the McCoy Commando Air Cooler. Now we will show you how to use this cooler. It's fairly simple to use. Just take it out of the packing. Make sure the cooler is kept in an open place, as coolers work by taking in air from the surrounding and cools it and throws it into the room. This cooler comes in a stunning white color with 50 litre and 100 litre water tank capacity with honeycomb and wood wool cooling medium. Now that you have purchased this cooler, let me show you how to install and use it. First step is to fill water. You can fill water through this water inlet, or you can use the pipe inlet. You can also add ice for better cooling during peak summers. You can always keep an eye at the water level inside the cooler with this water level indicator. If accidentally you fill more water, it will go out through the overflow leakage over here. Now that you have filled water in the cooler, you can move it easily to the room of your choice with the help of these 4 sturdy Castor wheels. You can place this cooler near you with this 2.4 meter long power cord. Now let me show you how to turn on the cooler and use its functions. This cooler comes with a powerful but economical double ball bearing motor, which unlike its competitors will never rust or jam. Because of double ball bearing, your motor will have a long and healthy life, which will also reduce the noise of the motor. The cooler comes with 3 variable speeds: high, medium and low, which is shown over here. Now the second knob you see over here, we can turn on the swing function. The second switch is of pump. When you turn this on, the swing function goes off and the pump motor of the cooler starts. The pump motor will suck the water that you have filled into the tank. It will transfer this water to the honeycomb pads, which is the cooling medium, which will evenly distribute water through its unique distribution tray. The third function is swing and pump. In this function, the lures and the pump motor will work simultaneously. With swing and pump function on, the room will cool evenly. If you purchase the cooler with the remote, it will look like this. You can also operate the cooler using this remote. You can turn on and turn off the cooler by pressing this red button. Switch on to the cooling mode so that the water pump starts. Wait for water to start flowing through the cooling pad so that they get adequately wet. Now start the cooler by setting the speed. It has got 3 speed options: low, medium and high. By pressing the speed button, you can set the cooler at the speed of your choice. You can choose the swing mode for wider multi-directional airflow. This function will control only its vertical lures. You have to adjust the horizontal lures manually as per your convenience. Lastly, you have the timer. You can set the timer up to 7 hours as per your convenience. These coolers run at the operating cost of a fan. The body of the cooler is made of high-strength engineering plastic, which makes the cooler durable in any season. At its maximum speed, the cooler can throw air at a distance of more than 40 to 45 feet. So even if you are at a distance, be rest assured you will be cooled. Now that you have learned to install and operate the cooler, let me show you few points with which you can increase the life and efficiency of the cooler yourself. Let's have a look at the honeycomb cooling medium. So what the honeycomb cooling medium does is it converts the hot dry air from the outside into cool moist air by passing it through the honeycomb cooling medium. These honeycomb pads are easy to clean and maintain. They can easily be taken out and cleaned using a brush or with water spray to ensure that all the dust particles are removed. It is always advisable to drain the remaining water after every use. To drain the water, you can simply pull the drain plug as shown over here. This is a truly powerful cooler which comes with 1-year warranty to keep you and your loved ones cool during the hot summer. For more instructions, you can go through the user manual that is given to you along with the cooler. Also, McCoy is the first company in India to have QR code demo videos attached to its packaging. Do check out our wide range of products available on Amazon and Flipkart. So there you have it folks, another great product from McCoy Commando Air Coolers, a great companion for hot summer days. If you have any queries or feedback related to the product, please do not hesitate to leave us a comment below. You can also mail us at customercare@mccoyindia.in, or you can call us on our toll-free number 1800-220276 for any queries. Thanks for watching this video guys. We hope this video gave you some insight on your product. Do like, share and subscribe to our page. We will see you with another stunning product in our next video. Have a great day from all of us at McCoy. A promise of happiness.